Login failed on Ameritrade mobile app fix. You open the Ameritrade app to check your investments, but it hits you with login failed. It's frustrating, but the surprising truth is most of the time, it's not a serious problem. Let's go through how to fix it fast. First, check your internet connection. Ameritrade requires a secure and stable network to verify your credentials. If you're on public Wi-Fi or weak signal, switch to mobile data or home Wi-Fi and try again. Next, make sure your app is up to date. Go to your App Store or Google Play and check if there's an update available. Outdated versions can conflict with Ameritrade's latest security features, especially after system updates. If your credentials are correct, but it still fails, try re-entering them manually. Avoid using autofill or password managers as they might insert outdated login data. Now, check your account status. If you recently changed your password or enable two-step verification, the app might be expecting updated login information. Make sure you're using the most recent credentials. If two-factor authentication is enabled, confirm your phone's clock is set to automatic. Ameritrade's verification codes are time-based, so a small clock mismatch can cause logins to fail. Still having issues? Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps to Ameritrade Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. This helps remove corrupted temporary files. In some cases, Ameritrade performs system maintenance or server upgrades that can temporarily block logins. Wait a few minutes and try again. It's often resolved quickly. If nothing works, you can reset your password or contact Ameritrade support for assistance. They can help verify your account and restore access. So, if your Ameritrade app says login failed, don't worry. Update your app, check your network, verify your time settings, and clear your cache. You'll be back checking your portfolio and trading confidently in no time.